The Panasonic Group has extended its ideas for every customer's good living into every kind of space, contributing to the global realization of a better world. We at Eco Solutions are pursuing initiatives on a global scale to realize comfort and eco-friendliness for people, lifestyles, for all kinds of spaces. Overseas, we are actively engaged in 5 business areas: electrical construction materials, lighting, indoor air quality, solar, and housing systems. Our overseas business history begins in 1918, when we began exporting electric fans. In the 1980s, we moved away from a primarily export-based business, setting up sales companies in other countries and shifting manufacturing operations to China and elsewhere in Asia. Since 2000, we have established a full-fledged presence in emerging markets and expanded this presence through mergers and acquisitions, with sales reaching the $3 billion mark in 2016. We currently operate sales and manufacturing bases in 127 countries and regions worldwide. In 2007, we acquired Anchor Electricals, the largest manufacturer and distributor of wiring devices in India. Building on the strengths of Anchor's wiring devices sales networks, we have introduced IAQ products and lighting fixtures, and we are developing sales in the region. We have delivered LED lighting and solar panels. And in 2017, we launched test marketing of system kitchens. Our sales cover all categories, including lighting fixtures, wiring devices, and IAQ, and take various forms, including retail, projects, and online sales. We generate synergy by selling in both online stores and actual stores. Meanwhile, we also predict customer needs and purchasing behavior, putting in order to use to develop products and sales channels. In China, we are engaged in end-to-end development, production and sales of automatic doors and platform screen doors. Panasonic is maintaining and expanding a high share of the wiring devices market as the foundation of our business in this region, which is centered on Indonesia, Vietnam, and Thailand. In addition to further promoting expansion of the IAQ, lighting fixture, and solar markets, we are also putting resources into new business areas, such as engineering. We have delivered products including LED lighting to Prambanan, a World Heritage Site in Indonesia, and to Singapore's Changi Airport. We are strengthening cooperation with local partners and expanding sales channels in the rapidly growing Middle East and Africa regions. Also, we are procuring wiring equipment, breakers, and IAQ products from India, China, and elsewhere, and developing comprehensive sales of electrical construction materials. In 2014, we acquired Vico, known as Panasonic Eco Solutions Turkey, which is Turkey's largest wiring devices manufacturer and distributor. Utilizing the sales networks of the former company, we are expanding the market in Turkey and promoting business expansion in Europe, the Middle East, and the neighboring CIS. Our deliveries in this region include solar panels. In Europe, Panasonic is developing business in various fields in Germany, including cordless power tools for professionals, fire alarm systems, and smart homes that employ Internet of Things technology. In the United States, the IAQ delivered by our ventilation systems has gotten a highly positive response, securing a large share of the high-end category. We are also working to expand sales of solar panels and power tools for assembly plants. We have delivered LED lighting to Prague Castle in Czech, and solar panels to the UK and Italy. As we have just described, Eco Solutions is expanding globally, with environmental and energy solutions raised in Japan at the core of our business. Going forward, we will continue proactively developing these business areas so that we can offer pleasant and comfortable living spaces to our customers around the world.
Panasonic.